I'm back with another video, and today we are going to Walmart right this second. Actually, ooh, it's pretty. We're going to Walmart right now to get some spray paint because I want to see if you could spray paint clothes. That's today's little video, guys. I'm going to try and spray paint a bunch of clothes at Walmart, and we're also gonna do a little shopping there too. I might need a couple things. I don't really know, guys, but come spray paint clothes with me for the first ever time and see if it works and see if I just found out a new style, guys. Let's go. So I have this video idea from when we went to Cadillac Ranch, which is in Texas, and you spray paint like a bunch of old cars and stuff. And when we were there, I was like, I don't like this pair of jeans anymore. I'm gonna like spray paint them. So I started spray painting them, and I found out that I really didn't like the jeans that I spray painted. And that's probably just because, like, I don't know. I don't know why I didn't like them, but we're gonna try again, and we're actually gonna find some colors that I like and find some clothes that might be a good option to spray paint. I don't really know. Also, my outfit kind of slays today. We have this, I don't know what this is. It's just like a white jacket, and we have a red bodysuit. You know we're pulling out the fluffy shoes. That's what they're called. And I have these jeans I got in Tokyo that are all like cool and stuff. Yeah. Guys, we have the peanut gallery over here. Don't know why she's looking like that, but she's laughing at me. Say something.
Hi. Nixon doing so good in her vlogging.
It's Walmart, guys. We are splitting up, and I have absolutely no idea where the spray paint could be or will be. I've been to that aisle once in all the times that I've ever been. Something's leaking over there. From all the times I've ever been to Walmart, I've been there once. And I will give you guys the story on that in a second. But kind of scared, guys. Okay, that kind of scared me, but it was just scatter. Spray paint. Do you know what spray paint would be?
Spray paint's up there.
Oh, thank you so much.
3 more on.
Thank you. Okay, so that was airball. So bad right there. Because I asked the guy that like works here, and he didn't speak English. And then like another guy helped me that wasn't even a worker. He was just like a customer. This is not spray paint. This is just like regular paint. What the heck? Okay, look at all the colors, guys. I have no idea what colors I want to do yet. We're gonna test them out, and then, okay, wait, my story time, okay? So, last time we were here, I was here with a bunch of my friends, and it was like just us, and we were like, hey, we want to, like, spray paint our friend's bike. So, we came to the spray paint aisle, and, like, we were here for, like, not even 5 minutes, just testing out colors to see which one we wanted to use for his bike. And, like, literally, a guy came over. He's like, we're kicking you guys out. We're kicking you guys out. I don't think Skylar's ever heard this story. He was like, we're kicking you guys out. And we're like, what do we do? And he was like, no, you're getting kicked out. So we got kicked out of that Walmart. And his name was Hugo. So, Hugo, if you remember us, we love you, Hugo. And we forgive you, actually. We forgive you.
And you love him.
And yeah, we love you. So, everybody, W's in the chat for Hugo. W's in the chat. What color do we want? I don't know. Okay, guys, I did some tests right here. I like all of these colors. I think I like this one the most. Over here, I also did this color. I don't like that one that much, but I think this color, was this one. And I don't know if you can use these on clothes or not, but we're just gonna see. Wait, let me see if this is the right color. Hold on, guys. Hold this color. Hold the cap. Yeah, this is the right color. Okay, I'm gonna get this color, guys. And then I'm also, look who we found. I'm also going to get a black. Let's see, a black right here. That's not right, is it? I don't think so. Since this is a gloss, I'm gonna do this one too because it's also gloss, and they just match together, I think. Okay, we got the black spray paint and the blue spray paint, and now we're on our way to go find a shirt or something to do the spray paint on. I'm so excited. I got some like inspo pictures too, but it's gonna be so cool and I can't wait to wear it. Okay, white t-shirts. No, that is not white. Okay, this is white, but it's ugly and it's also $30. I'm not trying to spend like $30 on a white t-shirt. So, guys, plain white. Why is some of their clothes here kind of cute? Okay, that is not, but some of them are. Some of them are. Wait, we might have to go into like where the tie-dye stuff is. You understand? Bro. Walmart lock-in. Walmart lock-in. What the heck? Okay, yeah, we're gonna go to maybe like the arts and crafts area and find tie-dye stuff because I think they have the white t-shirts there. Okay, we're here. Might do a hat too, but I don't wear hats, so probably not. But here are the shirts. That is is it too small? Yeah, that's way too small. Guys, people are looking at me from both ends of the aisle. Oh, and I got complimented on my shoes like 3 times. And it was from like old people too. This? I feel like that's too big. This is a medium and that's a small. Am I missing? Am I missing a size? I don't know. Okay, I grabbed a different small. Are we for real? Okay, I guess I'm doing that. Are we doing shorts or like pants? I don't know. Guys, I used to love this aisle so much. This aisle brings back so many memories. I swear to you, I've done like every single one of these. Actually, I dropped a shirt. Hold on. I swear I did every single one of those. I wish I still did stuff like that. Okay, wait. Let me put you guys on really quick. We need to find the birthday aisle. Because like, have any of you guys had like those like chocolate things that are like circles? They are so good. Wait. He's right here. There's a guy right there. But he's, oh my gosh, the best things ever. But I swear, it's like that one guy that you always run into on vacation that like went on the same plane as you and everything. I keep seeing the same guy in Walmart and he's always with me when I'm recording. What the heck? To try on these shoes. Look at how cute these are. I'm gonna have to buy them so my other boots have friends. So this one's Tommy and this one's Bobby. We're going back to get another shirt so I could do it twice and like try a couple different things. Just I don't know. This is yeah, we walked all the way to the front of the store and now we're walking all the way back to get another shirt. It's okay. Ready? Shirt secured. Let's go. Now I think I'm gonna get some groceries because I think I need some. I don't even know if it's making it in the video. My hair is not looking the best today. Wait, let's do, I tried like the Drew something bun. That's how it looks. How's that look, guys? Good, bad, I don't know. We try a Nixon tries to bake video because I'm not the best baker. Literally in the car right now I have these because like I can't bake. But that would be a fun video. Comment if you want to see that. Nixon tries baking. Because I think we can mess some stuff up, you know. The cart so far. Spray paint and cookies. Guys. What was that? Also, is anybody's core memories at the bakery of Walmart? Like, if you're young, you'll know, but like getting, hold on guys, but like getting free cookies at the Walmart bakery right there, bro, that's my whole childhood in the whole entire world. Like, we would just come to Walmart to go get cookies, free cookies, and then sometimes they like won't have them and we'll be like, excuse me, can we get a sample? And and then they'll like take something off the display right here and then just be like, you can have whatever you want, and then we would just get a whole thing of free things. That's like top tier, most memorable childhood memories right there. Okay, we just finished, and now I'm going to see you guys at like 7 in the morning, so it's bright out and I could do this in the light. So what just happened? I'm so excited and I cannot wait to do this. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Just woke up and it's like 7 o'clock and it's really, really cold and you can see your breath. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna get ready to spray paint. We are out here like in the middle of nowhere by a lake, and yeah, if you guys forgot, these are the colors I chose, and let's go do it. Switched over to a front view facing camera, and we got the shirt laid out, and I don't know what I want to do on the first one. I have an idea, but I don't know what I want it to say. So I think this one, we're just gonna do like some testings on it because I don't really know. We're gonna roll my sleeves up so they don't get like whatever happens to it. Wow, was that kind of good? Alright, like cool, I guess. Guys, that looks so good actually. Look at that. What the heck? Wait, let's move to black because okay, I'm gonna draw maybe like a star right here, but like make it go off the shirt. Wait, let me spray it first. Okay. That looks so good. What the heck? Guys, I just lost my voice for a second. But, okay. I'm gonna do another smiley face. Oh, why is it so thin? Wait, I kind of like that. That one's not as thin. Wait, is this one just thinner? Heart over here, maybe? I don't know if I filmed that, but that looks so good. Wait, what else do I want to do? Let's use blue again. Another star right here. Ready? Okay, I kind of got it on the inside of the shirt, but it doesn't really matter. Look at that so far. That looks so good. What the heck? Okay, wait. Welcome to my little workshop. Okay, so as you guys saw, our shirt is looking super cool. I don't want to move it because the paint is wet on there, but let's try and do something else. Guys, I am completely blank and I have no idea what to do. We're gonna write cool again, but above this one, so it's like double cool, right? That's how it works, maybe? I messed that up so bad. It's okay, it's okay. It's something. I like have ideas and stuff of what I want to do, so it will be way easier. And we're gonna set this one up right here. Now that I'm looking at, guys, these are 100% two different sizes. This one is way smaller than that one, but oh well. Okay, we're gonna grab the blue first, and like I said, crosses. Off there. Crosses are cool. So we're gonna do a massive cross across the whole back. Should it go up to the arms maybe? We want it big lines too, which means far away, which I learned. Okay. Other part across the arms. Okay, wait, let's look at that. That's kind of cool. Is it? And we're gonna do skinny lines and outline it like a neon sign, you know? So, yeah. Go closer for thinner lines. You know what? Sorry guys, my hair's in the way. That could be cool. Okay. That is, yeah. Okay, let's flip it. Actually, how am I gonna flip that? How long does it take to dry? Let's see if there's anything on here. How long it takes to dry. An hour? Okay, we're flipping it. It's been like 30 seconds. An hour. Are they crazy? They want me to wait an hour? Second time around. Let's go. Should I put like a motivational quote on there, like don't stop or something? That could be cool. Right? And I'll do like the same style as the back. That's a big D. That doesn't even look like a D. Shoot, did I mess up already? Okay. Don't stop. Okay. Hear me out. Not the worst, right? Let's make the letters kind of bigger though. Wait, is it going to the cross side? Let's hope not. Okay, P first. Guys, I'm kind of scared that someone's just like gonna come up behind me. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I love that D. Bro, my hair keeps getting in the way. Don't stop. You know what? It's an improvement. Yeah, stop. Because, again, guys, that's the only word that's coming to my mind. Okay, wait, we're gonna use black and do it over the star over there. And write stop. Really cool. How do they do this? No, that looks like an R. Okay. It's kind of bad. But it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Let's look at the shirts first. Do you guys hear that beeping? I don't know. First is this one. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that one. That one, I don't even know what happened to that one. This one, though. With the cross on the back. It's kind of dirty. But it has... Come on! But it has potential. 100% has potential. We're gonna try and style these. Let's style them. Welcome to my little humble bath. I am way too lazy to wait, what they say, like an hour to try on my clothes. So I'm just gonna try them on when they're wet. And hopefully I don't get like this all over me. Let me go grab it and we're gonna try it on. Okay guys, I smell like spray paint. I'm covered in spray paint and my hair is getting dyed because of spray paint. But besides that, it low-key kind of looks good. Okay, abs. What the heck? Okay, but here's the front. Can't really read it, which is fine. Here's the back. Low-key? Low-key. It kind of looks good, guys. I think I might definitely 100% wear this. Like, I'm definitely going to wear this. I just need to wash it first. But anyways, you can wear spray painted clothes, and I will probably definitely be doing this again because it works so good. And it only took me like 10 minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna go take another shower because I smell like spray paint. Bye, guys.